Luisian, un alunno Luisian, 3 puntos, marcha atrás y banquero. Stop, you got it. All to the right, come back. Yeah, reverse. Wow. Go to parking slowly because you need to wait. When do you need to stop to make it all to the left? Okay, we finished the class. Same Lucian. What do you think about the second class?
It was not difficult, but
No.
you know,
More difficult, really?
yeah.
More difficult. But I trust you. I trust you because you are so smart. You are smart.
You know, I do my best.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you for permitting me and learning to you.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay?
Take you too.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.